Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ma and this is Keeping Up with Ma. This is specifically a vanilla layering combo video. If you're someone that loves to smell good and you just want to leave an impression, this video is definitely for you. So you definitely want to keep watching. This video has been long overdue. I was supposed to have done this video a long time ago, but I think it is better late than never. And one of the main reasons why I'm actually doing this video now is because this is a season where we exchange gifts. And I just think that if you know someone in your life that loves fragrance or just love to smell good, you can do something intentional for them by putting one or two of the items that I'm going to show you in a package and just make them feel special during this season. So let's dive right into today's video. Majority of the products that I will be showing here, or all of the products that I will be showing here, they are very affordable. I'm aware that there are people watching me in different parts of the world that don't have access to some of these products. I just want to say that wherever you are, you can look for things that have lots of vanilla notes in them and it will still work out for you. So the first thing that I love to do is to first of all take a shower, and taking a shower means I am double cleansing, which is very important. So this is what I'm currently using. I don't know if you guys can see. This is what I'm currently using. I use this antibacterial soap from Dial. I love this particular one. It smells so good. I just go in with this because this helps to break down the bacteria on my skin, especially like underneath my armpits that most times will cause sweat and odor. So I love to go in with this, and this works so good. Like when I'm done using this, I can literally feel my skin giving me this squish feeling. So I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, but yes, this is what I love to go in with first, and this works so good. This is the first thing that I do immediately I get into the shower. The next thing that I do when I get into the shower is to use my body wash, and I have been falling in love with this particular body wash from Olay. It is a spoonful of sugar from Olay. This is a limited edition. This just was released a couple months ago, right before the holidays, and I have been loving this. Let me show you guys how many of these I have, just to make you understand how much I love this. One, two, this one is empty. Three, and you have this one. So this one is the champagne blush. This is what it looks like. I also wanted to try this, but I am more in tune into this one, the spoonful of sugar, and it has notes of glaze, cream, and vanilla custard. I love this thing so much. You guys are gonna like, if you can lay your hands on these are so good. Very moisturizing. It has that gourmand scent to it that is so good. It's so natural. Usually I'm not the kind of person that I am not into Olay products. Let me put this out there. I am not into Olay products, but I don't know what made me try this when I or smell this when I saw it at Walmart, and since then I have fallen in love with it. And as you guys can see, I have backup because, like I said, it's a limited edition, and so I know maybe after this season it will be out. So if you can grab this and try it, let me know what you think about it. I will be waiting to read your comments. The next thing that I usually go with is my body scrub, and I don't do this every day. I do this maybe 2 times or 3 times a week depending on how I'm feeling. I love to go in with this body scrub from Bodycology. I love this thing. I love this thing. It smells so good. It smells literally like caramel. Like I really love it. And I use the one from Caramel Indulgence. That's what it looks like. I already showed you guys, but this thing smells so good. I have another scent that is cheesecake. As you guys can see, this one is empty and I already started using this one. This is so good. Immediately I get out of the shower, I have a very dry skin. So immediately I get out of the shower, I need to start moisturizing my skin. It really gets dry. So the first thing that I do is to apply a body oil. This is the body oil that I'm currently using. It's also from Bodycology. It is their whipped vanilla. I love this thing so much. I use this too when I am shaving or after shaving. It does the same. It gives the same effect. It's very good. And since I started using this, I haven't had any issues with this. And this is like $4 at Walmart. So It's really a good deal, and I truly love it. This brand, they do of course have other scents. You might want to try them out, whichever one will work for you, but I love this one, especially because I was going for something that, I was trying to do a vanilla combo for myself. I really love this thing. And when I tell you that this thing is super moisturizing, it is so moisturizing. So if you know this and you have used it, please let me know if you love it, or maybe you love their other scents that they do have. But I truly love this. Honestly, when I was purchasing this, I wish they had the caramel indulgence body oil. I have never seen it at my local Walmart. I don't know if they have it, but this is what, this and this, they go together. So I don't mind having this, but I really wish I could have a body oil in the caramel indulgence, because I love the smell of this thing. It smells so good. Like, it feels like you just want to eat. If you're someone who loves caramel, and I have a sweet tooth, ah, I love it so much. The next one, which is one of my favorite, like the favorite part. I mean, I love everything that I use in my layering combo, but these ones, like, they blew my mind completely, and are my body butters. Guys, don't play. Don't play with any of these body butters. Take it from me, okay? Well, my opinion. But guys, I have a bunch of body butters. Like, can you guys see? Let's go one after another. If you watch my previous vlog, like the TJ Maxx haul that I did long time ago when I was still based in Hawaii, I showed you guys when I got this thing from TJ Maxx. They were $5.99. And guys, I loved this one the first time that I got the scent. I love this better than this. But tell me why in recent times, when we got here, I fell in love with this one. Let me show you guys. Look at that. I cleaned everything. Like, I did justice to this. I love this thing. I love it so much. These are the notes that they have for this one. And this is the Valencia vibe. It is from this brand. TJ Maxx, Marshalls, they do carry this stuff. And guys, I love this thing. The notes are vanilla, pistachio, jasmine, almond, caramel, and sandalwood. I love this stuff so much. If you can get your hands on this from any of the stores, look at this. I'm almost out of this one. $5.99 for something that is going to help in your layering combo. We all know that Sephora do have, like, they carry, body butters that are pretty expensive. If you really want to be on a budget, try all of these. You will not regret it, honestly. And the one that I recently got is from San and Fork, and it is their whip body butter, the vanilla musk. This is what it looks like. This was $6.99 at Home Goods. I love this thing. I was completely blown away when I saw this. When I smelled it, it smells so good. It smells so good. If you can try it, I'm not the kind of person that knows how to explain notes and all of that. But when my nose tells me it smells good, I just believe that it smells good, okay? But I really do love this thing, especially when I combine this with this fire. Fire. It is so amazing. And all of this is $10. Let's begin with, it's $10. You don't need to break the bank to smell good, in my opinion. And the last one is of EOS, the body butter. I prefer this body butter to the body lotion because, like I said, I do have dry skin. So I usually gravitate towards body butters than body lotion. So I love, so these are my current favorite body butters. Let's talk about the armpit area. Yes, that is something that I do not joke with. And let me show you guys the things that I use in order to make this work out. Because if you shower, you use body butters, you use all of the body oils that I've showed you, but you don't take care of this area, you're still gonna smell. Because trust me, that body odor can penetrate through majority of these things if you do not take care of it. So currently I do not use antiperspirants, I just use deodorant. So what I'm using at the moment are these. So I already talked about this. If you watch my vlog, I talked about this. deodorant wipes. I use them on under my arm. Also, I use this whenever I'm on my period, like when I need to clean up, freshen up, change my path and all of that. I use this to clean the down there area. It's so refreshing. So yes, I do use this. Oh, if I'm not on my period, I use this on daily basis. The one that I have, I love this stuff so much. It is the Roller Rescue from Bush Balm. I have talked about this, well, not on this channel, but I have talked about this to my close friends and family. So if you don't know about this brand, I recently stumbled on this at TJ Maxx, and since I found this brand, I haven't turned back. I love it so much. This is what it looks like inside. So it has this aluminum rolling ball. I love it so much. It's so cooling, it's so soothing, especially if you're very sensitive down there. I use this so much, and it has really helped to brighten up my underarm area. I love this stuff so much. And this contains both AHA and BHA. Super, super good. I love it. And I just started using the Saltier Pink Beach 5% serum deodorant. This is what it looks like, and I'm currently in love with it. I haven't used it for too long, but I love it. I love how it smells, and the main reason why I got it is because it has a blend of mandelic, lactic, and a lot of other acids that help to brighten up the underarm in case you're suffering from discoloration, and it helps to reduce the look of ingrown hairs. So I love this so, so much. I love the way it smells, by the way. And yep, this is what I use under my arm as my deodorant, and I do this every day. Let's talk about body mist, the ones that I love so much. Please, this part, the babies took it and I don't know where it is. Okay, so I love this body mist from Bodycology. It is their cozy fireside small. This is what it looks like, and oh my god, this thing smells so good. It smells really, really good. Like, it just gives that little to all of the layering combo that I have. Like, it smells so, so good, and I love it so much. And another body mist that I have is from Nest. This is their Madagascar Vanilla. This is what it looks like. I've had this one for a couple of months. Like, this thing literally smells like a perfume, but it is a body mist. And of course, it's maybe the most expensive thing that I have here because it is on the pricey side. But I really, really do love it. I really love it. The only thing I have with this thing is that sometimes the spray or whatever, it acts up. It acts sometimes like it's on strike, like it does not want to respond. Like, I need to press hard and hard, like what's going on. This has a very rich vanilla. The vanilla is so, so rich, and I love it so much. It's either I use this or I use this. Either or, they're good, but this one obviously is more powerful than this one, but I love them. The next thing that I usually go with is my perfume oil, and it is from Sand and Fog, and I just started using this like a week ago. It is their vanilla and amber. This is what it looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing smells so good, guys. It smells really, really good. I don't know how to emphasize, but it smells really, really good. If you have tried this, please let me know. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried it, and if you have been using this and you did not put me on it. I mean, I have other Sun and Fog perfume oils, but I just did not have this. I didn't have this particular one. I have other vanilla fragrance. I have the vanilla musk, but the vanilla and amber, what? If you've been using this and you didn't put me on it, I'm judging you. I'm judging you, okay? So now that you know that this is good, on your next trip to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods, you see this, don't play. Get it, because you will not regret it. And one thing that I really love about this is that it's not only a perfume oil, but it also acts like a body oil, because every time I use this on my skin, it looks like I used body oil. It looks so good. The shine is there and all of that. But of course, because I'm not using it I'm not using it as a body oil, I just look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You guys, this thing smells so good. I was blown away. And when I just got this, I was using this with this from the same brand. So this is vanilla musk and this is vanilla and amber. The last thing that I have to show you guys today in my layering combo is of course the last thing that I apply after I have gone through all of this, and it is my perfume. It's the Vanilla Voyage from Maison. This is what it looks like. I recently got this, as you guys can see. I've had this for like a week, but you can already see the dent. I love this stuff so much. It smells really, really rich. It's not a subtle vanilla. It's very commanding, like the vanilla that, oh, I want you to notice that I'm around, that kind of thing. So this is what this smells like, and I really, really do love it. It's also very, very affordable. Well, I bought it when it was on sales. It was like $30. And yeah, these are the things that I have been using as my vanilla layering combo. I truly love them. All of these are very, very affordable. So if you're someone that is trying to smell good but you still want to be on a budget, I personally think that these are just things that you can try. Majority of them are like $5, $4, $6. I think the most expensive thing here is this one. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know if you have tried any of these products. I would really like to hear from you guys if you guys have tried them or if you guys are going to give them a try. Please let me know. I'm waiting to hear from you guys. And like I said from the very beginning, if you are in a place where you cannot lay hands on this, I would highly recommend that you just look for other brands that have body wash that have vanilla notes. Just look for things that have vanilla notes in them, and you will still smell good. You will still smell really, really good. So because that's what I believe in. So just look at what I shared in today's video and make it work for you wherever you are, depending on the brands and the products that you have available to you. So it was so nice talking to you guys. It was so nice sharing my opinion, my 2 cents as far as my layering combo is concerned. Please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to give me a massive thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, stay blessed, take care, and bye.